Horion Smart Flat Panel. Have you ever wondered the future has come? You just don't know it yet? Well, the future is here today. Introducing Horion Smart Interactive Flat Panel. A true engineering and innovation marvel, brings in a new level of outstanding experience in presentations and collaborations, either mounted in the meeting room or anywhere else with its movable stand, built in for clearer online teleconference. No matter where you are, can bring us all in the same room. Horion's unique cloud conferencing system supports screen sharing among multiple interactive flat panels without space limit. It can realize real-time, face-to-face communication, information sharing, and collaboration through two-way touchscreens. Horion brings a new way of interaction and display. Computer can be easy to start mirroring with Horion's mirroring device, even in reverse control, to realize two-way interaction. One screen can be divided into 4 parts. Multi-screen display supports mobile phones, computers, tablets, and other devices, which allows multi-users, multi-devices to display simultaneously. Presenting 2 or more files concurrently is possible using Horion's split screen feature, which eliminates the inconvenience of switching from one screen to another and ensures that your audience gets the most full meeting experience possible. Any mobile devices with NFC function can simply approach the NFC area at the bottom of the panel. After turning on the NFC, you can quickly share your screen at once. 1mm detection precision, 20-point touch, brand new writing software. 2 writing modes with intelligent handwriting algorithms, refined strokes to deliver amazing writing experience. Writing on Horion's interactive flat panel with the writing pen is fluent and smooth, and the color thickness can be freely selected. Comes with its own stroke to give you the real writing experience on a white paper. The back of the hand can be used as an eraser. With a light wipe, the content on the whiteboard can be erased. Experience the cutting-edge multifunction smart pen that comes along with the Horion. A combination of simple artistic spirit, elegant and extraordinary. Intelligent magnetic design, extremely light pen body, easy to use, annotates smoothly. Flexible to change and operate in both Windows and Android systems. With a quick press on the cap button, writing important notes can never be easier. Long press to zoom into critical points. Let your voice be heard across and reach everyone by a simple long press on the up button. Navigating through documents with multiple pages or slides is an absolute convenience. A simple flick up and down of the Horion Smart Pen moves the pages and slides from one to the next. Instead of downloading software, turn on the scanning function in the phone and you can select the files you want to upload. Horion Transfer supports the sharing of Word, PowerPoints, PDF, pictures, videos, compressed files, and installation packages. The high-quality 4K UHD screen powered by a cutting-edge 5th-generation color engine chip makes picture quality closer to the most natural colors and enabling the smoothest screen interaction possible. Horion is committed to making conferences easier and helping enterprises improve the efficiency of office scenes in a comprehensive and in-depth manner. Horion Flat Panel, the future of the new high-end conference.